Identify the vertices, foci, and asymptotes, and then sketch the graph. This is a hyperbola because we have a y something squared, we have an x something squared, we have a minus in between, and it equals 1. Usually hyperbola look like that, and that's no hyperbole. English humor. Since the y squared is positive and the x squared is negative, we are going to compare it to this function right here because it's a vertical transverse axis. So we're going to compare it to y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. The center is HK as usual, but oh friends, be careful. H is over here, not over here. So negative H is in this case negative 3, which means H is regular 3. Tricky, tricky, tricky. And negative K is positive 4, so regular K is negative 4. All right, be careful. It's very easy to flip those guys around and get it backwards. Let's do the focus next. So in order to do the focus, you need a C, and we don't have a C. But the way you would find C for hyperbola is you would do C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So if you remember ellipses, it was minus, now it's plus. So what do I know? I know that C squared is 1 plus 1, which means C is the square root of 2. So the foci is found by doing h, which I already know, k plus or minus c, which is what I just found. The h is 3. The k is negative 4 plus or minus root 2, so I'll do negative 4 plus root 2, and then 3, negative 4 minus root 2. Okay, that's my foci. My vertices are going to be h, k, plus or minus a. So 3, once again, k is negative 4. If a squared is 1, then a is 1. So negative 4 plus or minus 1, which I'll do negative 5. Because that's negative 4 minus 1. And negative 4 plus 1 is a negative 3. Now the asymptotes, and I'm kind of running out of space, so let me, I don't need this information. I don't think I need this information that much anymore. Maybe I will regret this, but I don't think I will. The asymptotes are found in this case by using, basically we're going to use the old traditional slope or point slope form, right? Because an asymptote is a line, and in this case we're going to have two asymptotes. All right, y minus y sub 1 in our case is the same thing as saying y, like y minus k. M in our case with this type of hyperbola is going to be positive a over b, which I know them are both them. I know they are both 1. And then I have x minus h. Okay. So my asymptotes are going to be two functions. And let me do this. Let me do y minus k is going to be the same as double negative y plus 4 from that equals negative or positive or negative plus or minus 1 x minus 3, which makes this y plus 4 equals a positive x plus minus 3. And a negative x minus 3. And just because time is an issue, if I were to simplify that, subtract 4, do a little distributive property, I have two equations, y equals negative x minus 1, and y equals regular x minus 7. So this is all the information I need. I'm not even going to try to graph this. So let me just pull it off the internet, pull it off Desmos when I graphed it myself on Desmos, and that's what you're going to end up with. Okay, you could see, like, for example, one of the horizontal asymptotes is going to cut through here. The other one's going to cut through here. My vertices are where they need to be: 3, -5, 3, -3. It's hard to see the foci. The center is 3, -4. So, everything is where it needs to be. And again, if you're looking at the asymptote as positive x going through 7, you can kind of see the asymptote take place. All right? Graphing these guys aren't fun. Not at all. But we did it, and I'm proud of us.